Hey lovelies, watch this video if you have dark inner thighs. Watch this video and I'll be showing you the easiest thing you can do at home that can help get rid of your dark inner thighs. But before we get into that, I would like to tell you the two major causes of dark inner thighs. Number one of them is excessive weight gain. Once you gain weight, your inner thighs tends to rub against each other. Like when you walk, they tend to rub against each other. And once that is happening, friction is going on. And once friction is going on, wearing and tearing is also going on. So while that is happening, it gives you dark inner thighs. So the best way to prevent it is to put on tights. But if you're one of those people that doesn't like wearing tights, like you are uncomfortable when you put on tights, the best thing to do is to buy inner thigh pads. This is what I'm talking about. You can buy this and place it on your thighs while you are going out. It will help a lot. It will help to reduce the friction, okay? It will help to prevent your skin to rubbing against each other directly, okay? So guys, that's the first thing that causes dark inner thighs. The second thing that causes it is excessive oil build-up. Yes, your body produces oil, and down there it produces oil when you walk. So if you're not exfoliating those areas, you will have excessive oil build-up. And once you have excessive oil build-up, your pores will get clogged. And once your pores get clogged, it will form bumps. And once that bumps are formed, the rest is history. You tend to feel uncomfortable, you tend to feel itchy, a lot happens down there. So guys, it's very important to exfoliate your skin at least once in a week. Doing that will help to get rid of excessive oil buildup. And once you get rid of excessive oil buildup, you open up your pores, you unclog your clogged pores. And once you do that, it will be easy for air to penetrate into your body. And once that happens, you will have a glowing skin. But once you are not exfoliating, once you are not doing the necessary things, guys, there's no way it's going to be all right there. There's no way it's going to be fine down there. Yes, so in this video, I'll be showing you what you can use to exfoliate down there and also what you can apply down there after exfoliating. Okay, guys, so without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, for this treatment, all the things we are going to be using are the easy things you can find in your kitchen. First, you will need carrots. Go ahead and get one stick of carrot, wash it and start grating it. We'll be using carrot because carrot contains beta carotene, which helps to protect the skin from sunburn and also helps to slow down skin aging by improving elasticity, hydration, and texture. So the vitamin C in carrot is also very important for your skin. It helps to promote your skin. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin. So carrot is one of the ingredients you will need for this treatment. So go ahead and start grating it. And after grating it, the next thing you will need is baking soda. So we'll be using baking soda also for this treatment because it also helps to relieve minor irritation, pain, and itchiness of the skin. So baking soda is also good for the skin. It also helps to lighten your skin. Baking soda helps to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. So that's why we'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into this treatment. And after adding it, the next ingredient you will need for this treatment is honey. Guys, get original honey. Original honey does wonders to the skin. Honey deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Honey's natural humectant properties makes it an effective moisturizer. Also, the enzyme activity in honey enables it to penetrate deeply into the skin and bring hydration to the underlying layers of the skin. This results in a plumper and softer skin. So when you use a very good honey, it helps a lot. The next thing you will need is apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and add apple cider vinegar into it. This helps to fight acne causing bacteria. It helps to kill bacteria on the skin. So go ahead and add apple cider vinegar. If you don't have, the next thing you can use is lemon. Okay, if you don't have apple cider vinegar, use lemon to replace it. And after that, you also go ahead and add sugar. Sugar will be serving as an exfoliant. It will help to exfoliate the skin as to get rid of excessive oil buildup on the skin. It will help to unclog the pores. Okay, use white sugar. If you don't have white sugar, you can also use brown sugar. Either of it can serve. Okay, guys, so after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. And after mixing it very well, you set it aside. So now we'll go ahead and prepare the oil you will apply on the areas you've scrubbed after scrubbing. Okay, guys, so now let's set this aside. Let's move on to making the oil. So to make the oil, you get a clean container. Get a very clean container, a container that you can cover after preparing the oil. Also, you will need vitamin E oil. Get vitamin E oil. You can use any one. You can use the capsule one. You can use the one in the bottle. You can use the tablet one. In fact, any vitamin E oil can serve. Add some amount of it into the container. This will help to moisturize the area, reduce itchiness and redness. So after that, you go ahead and add tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very powerful, guys. It helps to reduce acne causing bacteria. Like if you're having serious acne and you're using tea tree oil in your cream, it will help to clear it. But one mistake you should never make is applying tea tree oil directly to your skin. It will burn your skin. It will cause irritation to your skin, like your skin will be irritated. So always dilute it before making use of it. So after that, the next thing you have to add is vitamin C. Add vitamin C serum into it. This helps to lock in moisture. This helps to restore glow to your skin. This helps to brighten your skin. Go ahead and add any vitamin C serum into the treatment, and after that you mix it together. So after mixing it together, guys, this is the cream you will apply on that area after exfoliating. Just go ahead and apply this cream on that area. Continue doing this and you will see great change. Bye.